To create a pattern layer, the best way to do this in a non-destructive manner is to go to the bottom of the Layers panel, where you're going to open up the Fill and Adjustment layer, which is the circle icon that's half black and half white. And up at the very top, there is an option for Pattern. When you first open this up, you're only given two options, and we will want to append these two options by clicking on these additional flyout arrows. And at the bottom of the list we have all of these patterns available for us as defaults. You can actually create your own patterns, but that'll be another lesson. I'm going to open up Artistic Surfaces, and it wants asking me to append, which means to add to the selection. And now I have all of these options to choose from. One of the best options in terms of your patterns to put something over the top of a picture would be to choose something that has high contrast. Not a lot of gray, but perhaps something with direct black and white. You can also adjust the scale, which again, this is how it's an adjustment layer. We're able to control these elements. Put this one up pretty large, and I'll say OK. Now I have a pattern that goes over the whole photo. Of course, I can't see anything, so I need to change the blending of the layer in order to see through the pattern and have it apply to the surface of the photo. The blending is underneath the word normal. Normal, of course, is normal blending. And we have a lot of different options that we can choose from. The first set pretty much makes white transparent. So any of the white areas will become transparent in different ways. Multiply is one of the best for that. The second does just the opposite. If I do screen, you can see the whites are solid and the blacks are transparent. And in the third, it's a blending between the two where basically whites are lightened and areas that are black are darkened with gray in between. So the different blending modes allow us to take the pattern and apply it over the surface. Again, adjustment layers all come with a mask. So if you select the mask, you can then paint on the surface to mask different areas. White will show the effect, black, painting with black will mask it. So that is how you apply pattern using pattern adjustment layers.